I have an important question to ask all of you guys. What would you do if I got stuck in a vending machine? Just curious.
Left.
Ask you to grab the snacks.
Here you go, here's some snacks.
Tell Casio to get on a trampoline and for him to jump on the trampoline to break it open.
Scream and try to break the glass.
Scream harder! Break the glass harder! Get me out!
Take a
I would get you out. What flavor though?
I will get you any flavor of any snack or drink as long as you free me.
Get some chips and ask if you want some.
Of course I want some chips. It's not like I'm surrounded by a bunch of them.
Hey, can you get those Lay's chips for me? Wait a minute.
You know, it's just a Thursday. I like to chill out here sometimes.
Buy C4.
Sorry, they're all out. I had to do something while being stuck in here.
Shake it.
Shake me free! Shake me free!
Either break the glass or lockpick the key to the door to get you out.
Thank you for using your brain about it, thank you.
I would probably just look at you all confused, and then start scratching at the machine to get you out. Or just tip it over and hope you are okay.
I'm okay.
Get Casio to jump on the vending machine and break you open.
No way, he might be too heavy and crush me.
Help, my friend is stuck in the vending machine. Help.
Scream and shout and let it all out. Give me help, please!
I'd attack the vending machine and break the glass to try to get you out.
Let's just hope none of us get hurt by the glass.
Buy you with my mola.
Alright, let's see how much it costs. We might be in trouble, mate.
I'd shake the freak out at it like a minion.
I would buy Cokes.
You know what? Just on the house, I'll give you a Coke for free. I'll give you a Coke for free since I'm in here. So, for those of you that don't know, I used to have another YouTube channel. I used to go by Lanewah. It was strictly for animation. The other channel is called Lanewah's Imagination. And I used to have a video up there where I did this before, actually. I created a Google form for all my friends to fill out, and I asked weird questions, and my favorite question was the vending machine one, so I did it again, because I just randomly thought of it one day. Here's the clip from the video. If I was stuck in a vending machine,
I would smash the vending machine, steal all the good food, hire someone to get you out, then let you eat all the trash food I left behind. Ask you to get me a snack, probably a cookie. I'd buy you out a while.
the video is unlisted now, but I always wanted to revisit the idea, and maybe I'll come back to it with even sillier questions. Everyone have a great rest of your day, and here's some art fight attacks for ya.